stop. Do it now. He got music on. No, I'm not.
Yo, he cannot hear shit.
Yo, she went on. Okay, do it. What's that, Rafael? Move. Let's go, you. Alright, she making fun of P-Rod, so.
My new disque, boo.
Yo, I want a lap dance. Can we get some lap dance over here?
Dylan, you be giving the best lap dance, so give Louis a lap dance.
No, I'm not giving Louis a lap dance. Fuck that shit.
I'll be on top of everybody.
Yo, you almost fucked up.
Yo, you almost dropped the bottle. Like, what's wrong with you?
I gotta protect this bad boy.
Rafi, face this way. Rafi. Yo, you need to get up because you're heavy and I'm trying to record this shit. Come on.
I can't do it.
Do it again. Throw it back to her. And she put it in her pocket. Nana, are you smacked?
Yo, everybody's shot.
Throw it back. Throw it back.
Yo, everybody's sniping in this kitchen, son.
Nah, nigga, I'm good.
Yeah. You're not smacked, but you're looking out for it. What up?
Yo.
Listen.
Yo.
What's good?
She said.
¿Qué pasó?
Throw it back. No.
¿Qué pasó?
She said, put it in my pocket. Throw it back.
This is gonna be out.
No, you fucked up. You fucked up.
Alright.
Start him over.
You see this? It's that bullshit everybody told. Oh, I feel so bad for that sidekick.
It's supposed to
Speaking
go.
of which, my phone. Hold on.
No,
My screen ain't cracked yet, so it worked.
Yo, y'all suck at this shit.
No,
Nah, I cracked my screen. I cried.
I still got my 08. I have a, like, back in the day. Like,
Damn.
when I was younger, I had an 08.
And then now you go like this. Look. You go like this.
Throw it, and then throw it. Break it.
Throw it back.
Throw it back.
Throw it back.
Put it in my pocket.